So Peter, you're graduating from your Timo Topp training experience. How would you sum it up?
It's been great, been fantastic. I'm a 68-year-old, but I've had a trauma. I fell off a ladder, smashed my hip, so I got a hip replacement. So I was looking for someone to, help me get to a high level of fitness, and Timo was the person for me. He pushed me, but didn't shout, wasn't screaming. So if someone my age, it was a good thing. I wanted to get back to snowboarding. I wanted to do a lot of snowboarding and ocean racing on sailboats. So it really has been a help. I enjoy coming down. It's a fantastic environment, and it's really good. So my wife says that I should do it every night because I'm a lot calmer when I get home. I'm not really jumping around, being so I'm much more focused when I get back. So all in all, it's been a great pleasure. He's really made me stronger and fitter, and it's day-to-day work as well. It's been great, so I would recommend Timo anytime. So it's been a great program. Thank you, Timo.
And well done, Peter, and thanks for the great review. Thanks, Peter. Well done.